Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Peanut the Squirrel token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Peanut the Squirrel PNUT is a community driven meme coin on the Solana blockchain created as a digital tribute to a viral squirrel and the Justice for Peanut movement. A viral tribute token, it was created as a memorial to a pet squirrel named Peanut, transforming a real life animal rights story into a cultural crypto assets. Built on Solana, the token leverages Solana's high-speed, low-cost blockchain, making it accessible for the fast-paced meme coin trading environment. Pure meme tokenomics. PNUT has no intrinsic utility, roadmap, or governance. Its value is driven entirely by community sentiment and viral narratives. Peanut the Squirrel project institution rating is 3.6. Peanut the Squirrel token total supply is around 999.84 million and circulating supply is also 999.84 million PNUT token. PNUT token is listed on Binance, Coinbase, OKX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.